Most people get this wrong. They think Payday Prime is just another payday loan app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access, flexible installments, and budgeting tools to help manage cash flow without the sky-high interest of traditional lenders. Here's how it works. Payday Prime lets you withdraw a portion of your earned wages before payday or split eligible purchases into smaller payments. Instead of charging interest, it applies flat fees per advance or transaction. The app also includes repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional financial planning tools to keep you in control. The downside? Overusing Payday Prime can get expensive. Fees stack up if you rely on it frequently, and missed payments can lead to account restrictions or additional charges. Tips for smart use. 1. Only withdraw what you can realistically repay. 2. Use alerts to avoid missed payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on short-term advances. Who should use Payday Prime? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need cash for emergencies or want to split larger purchases. If your income is unpredictable or you struggle with repayment discipline, it could end up costing more than it helps. In conclusion, Payday Prime in 2026 is a convenient way to manage short-term cash needs, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as a tool, track fees, and follow repayment plans. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips.